students, in the just previous video we have seen the pH of the soil samples so that we will know that what kind of plants can grow. Now let us see pH of water samples. So water samples, just already you know ecosystems. Okay, in the ecosystem, pond ecosystem, lake ecosystem, like the different ecosystems. Why should we know ecosystems? So that we will know what kind of organisms, plants will grow in that particular water, sample water, pond water, and different tap water, different kinds of water. So aim of the experiment is to study the pH of given water samples. Procedure I will show you, and requirements also I will show you.
Okay, start.
Okay, so now what kind of waters we have taken? So what will be the pH of normal water? What will be the pH of crop water? In the crop, what kind of water, and what kind of pond water? Okay, if you see these different kinds of waters, if you see crop water, you can easily see different kinds of organisms also floating. Anyway, when you come, you will see what kind of water plants and water zooplanktons and phytoplanktons. What is the meaning of zooplanktons? Microscopic animals which are living in the water. That is zooplanktons. What are phytoplanktons? Microscopic plants which are floating on the water. So if you see here, different kinds of, for example, you can see phytoplanktons, Spirogyra, Anabina, and different variety, that one, and zooplanktons, small fishes, mosquito larvae, snail and all. This, when you come to the school, that water drop you will put in the microscope and you will see on slide. Okay, now I am taking the waters, different waters. This is the pure water, to see the pH of that waters. So in the ecosystems, some will grow very well in the sea water, just like you will see sea animals and all, and some will grow, some animals and plants will grow in the pure acidic water, alkaline water, like that. Okay, now again same, I am taking the pH paper and keeping the pH paper in one water. This is normal water, tap water. This is pond water. Okay, first one is the tap water, second one is the crop water, and third one is the pond water. Okay, so you have to wait for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, now after 10 minutes we are seeing this observation. First of all, what is that? Normal water. If you see this paper, normal water, no change pH, neutral. Okay, just normal, neutral condition it is there. Second is crop water. It is below acidic, slightly less than acidic. If you see color, slightly change is there. Okay, so means some organisms can grow which will be fit for that. If you take salt water, if the pH value will show which plants can grow in salt water, which plants can grow in neutral or acidic, like that, for that purpose. And this is the pond water. In this pond water, different kinds of microorganisms, plants, zooplanktons and phytoplanktons plants will grow. So these are the result of the water also. So how to write in the record and what are the readings I will give you afterwards. Thank you.